and welcome once again to our channel Beautiful Foods TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the Nigerian beans. In this bowl, I've got about 1 kilogram of brown beans and it's already washed, and I'm going to add it to a saucepan of water. Cover the beans and cook it for about an hour. I usually use a pressure cooker, and these cookers last for years. This one has been with us for 25 years. It was one of my wedding gifts. I will see you in about an hour's time, but in between this cooking you have to check to make sure the beans will still have water so it doesn't burn. Thank you. Our beans has been cooking for about 1 hour. I'm going to be blending some peppers to add into it. Usually there are two ways of making beans. You can have it at this stage, serve it plain, and serve it with some stew. This will be called ewa agoyin. But today's recipe is going to be full red beans in sauce. So I'm going to blend the peppers now. I've got some tomatoes, some peppers and onions, bring the blended peppers and tomatoes into the beans. Stir the peppers into the beans. Cover the pot and lower the heat to simmer for about 10 minutes. The next step is to add in a little bit of salt and some seasoning. I usually use aroma or all-purpose seasoning. Stir it in once again. A spoon of palm oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Cover the pot and simmer for about 5 minutes. Our beans is now ready to serve. You can accompany this with fried plantain or gari in cold water. Thank you for watching our channel once again. I hope you enjoy trying the recipe at home on how to make African brown beans. Thank you.